Hey there, it's Carolyn Wester from Wrestling Prep, and today we're out here at Camp Verde, Arizona, where we've been on a road trip for the last 3 or 4 days, and it's really been a great experience. Wanted just to catch everybody up on some things that are going on with summer 2015. I'm here with 4 alumni from last year, from 2014, and they're going to talk to you a little bit, but I wanted to let you know that as of right now, week 1, the first week of camp, is full for residential training. It's open for commuters, and then we're open for the rest of the summer. However, we are filling up fast. Just to answer some frequently asked questions, we are offering weight training this year. It's $75 for the whole week, so that's 5 hours of weight training with the weight training professional. Also, your wrestler can come and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row. We're taking a week off, and then we're back for 3 more weeks. They're welcome to stay overnight. We're happy to pick them up from Sacramento Airport. Also, we can go to the Bay Area, but we have to charge a little bit more money for that, simply because it's a 2-hour drive. We will have Jason Welch and Aaron Pico with us for the Fargo training camp this year, and that's going to be a great experience. So first, Jesse Vasquez, what was summer like last year, and what are you looking forward to this year?
Summer last year was really fun, and it helped me out a lot. We're working on my technique a lot, and it got me significantly better, so it's good.
How about this trip to Arizona?
This trip to Arizona was very, very fun, to say that. Worked out a lot of stuff, wrestling a lot of good guys. Coming out here with Taylor and Matt was a good experience. Wrestling around with them got me a lot better. So I guess we're just going to keep training to wrestle at US Open next week.
Great. And then we have Drew Morgan, who's going to be wrestling at Cal Poly next year with us this summer, with us last summer. What do you have to say?
Just the big thing about Wrestling Prep to me is it's one of the only places where you can get this type of training. It's one of those places you really learn how to use your body. You can excel so quickly just by little things, tweaking your body, putting it in the right position, which Carolyn's able to see, and just that type of wrestling is really good for you and really going to help you get better quickly. And also just the atmosphere around there. I mean, even if you're a kid who's first starting to a kid who's been wrestling for 10 years, there's just so many kids around that can help you get better. So many state champs, placers, All-Americans, kids going to college. It's just a great atmosphere and somewhere I feel like you can really get better just by being there. And then if you really do put in the effort, keep trying, do all the things Carolyn says, and really apply yourself, you can get better in such a short amount of time.
Terrific. What about you, Matt Mejia? Are you an Arizona State champ and multi-time placer?
Yes,
is that correct? All right.
Wrestling Prep for me last year was an introduction to the system. I haven't been there before, and I was really shocked how the body positioning really helped me in my wrestling. It really translates through, like, pretty much exactly through all the pivoting and everything. It really helps you in the scrambles and everything like that. And the atmosphere at Prep is just, it's really great. It really makes you want to go out there and wrestle, other than like, oh, I have to go out for another session. You want to go out there, so you're out there with your friends, and Carolyn, she really motivates you to get out there, and it's a great atmosphere and everything.
Well, terrific. And then we have Taylor Rich, who's the D1 Arizona State champ this year. I've known Taylor now 4 years. First met him at Queens Creek, and he goes to, is it Sandra Day O'Connor?
Yes, ma'am.
And then he's trying to decide from all the offers he has where he's going to go to college.
Wrestling Prep really has helped me. Last year I came into Wrestling Prep off an injury, and I stayed for, I believe, 5 weeks in a row. And when I came back, my coach recognized a totally different wrestler. I was more technical, I was smoother, my scrambling was unbelievably better. And then it honestly helped me win my state championship 100%, and I'd recommend it to anybody.
Well, that's pretty exciting for all of us. Other significant news that's going on, we are going to the U.S. Open this week with Jesse and Amit Elor, and Jason Welch will be there, and a whole bunch of other people. And on top of that, you may have heard that due to circumstances we weren't real happy to hear about, Daniel Cormier is going to have a chance to fight for the light heavyweight belt, the UFC, May 23rd. And then coming up in 2 weeks, we'll be at Park Hill High School for Greater Heights Wrestling for Jason Keck. And that's with Jason Welch and Darren Ware, so we're real excited about that. And then we're off to Christiansburg, Virginia, back for a week, and then the summer starts. But the biggest thing that's coming up, and all these guys will be here, is May 31st. We have our banquet. It's going to be in Dublin, California this year. We're doing it on a Sunday. Everybody's welcome. We normally have somewhere around 400 people, and it's a tremendous experience. It really gives you an opportunity to understand what Wrestling Prep is about, where these kids are going with their future. Alumni's there, college guys are there, and everybody is welcome, and it's no charge. So I think that's all for today. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.